Delta the HIP high-integration AC power modules that optimize the integration of on-site cabinets, transformer cabinets, low-voltage cabinets, and UPS systems within traditional distribution systems. This achieves smaller footprint, higher efficiency, shorter installation cycles, and convenient daily maintenance. By optimizing the integration of low-voltage distribution and UPSs, it can save 20% of application space compared to traditional UPS power systems. In comparison to similar products on the market, our transformer cabinet has a depth of 1.65 meters. Delta has optimized the cabinet's internal structure, reducing the depth of the entire row of transformer cabinets to 1.2 meters. With 40% space savings, users gain more space to deploy server cabinets. Delta's HIP high-integration power supply module can adjust its operating mode as needed. In online mode, the system achieves an efficiency of up to 95.5%. While its supporting ECO mode can further improve efficiency to as high as 97.5%. This results in a 2% efficiency improvement compared to traditional UPS distribution systems. Utilizing a full copper busbar design that completely replaces cables, Delta not only speeds up the deployment of data center distribution systems but also offers significant advantages such as lower power loss and longer lifespan by reducing cable connections. We support simplified delivery through full factory prefabrication. With HIP, installation time is reduced to just 14 days. This agile and rapid deployment of power to any required business scenario makes computational power readily accessible. With the high-performance circuit breaker switch design, we achieve short-circuit instantaneous, short-circuit time delay, and overload long-time delay protection through parameter settings. This design is more convenient and reliable for daily data center operations. Our unique distributed architecture design allows for quick replacement even if a single component fails, making the system easier to maintain. Through an intelligent management system, real-time monitoring of the data center environment enhances power supply operation safety. With the advantages of fast deployment, simplicity, efficiency, and green intelligence, Delta's HIP high-integration power supply module is designed to assist industries such as IDC, telecommunications, manufacturing, finance, and more. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and our low-carbon coexistence approach surpasses traditional notions of power distribution solutions. Delta's HIP high-integration power supply module is now officially available.